Here we have a triangle ABC, right angled at B. We have a line segment AD which divides the triangle ABC into two equal areas. What we need to find is the measure of this line segment AD. Now, if you look at the triangle ADB, what do you notice? It is a right triangle because here at B we have a 90 degrees, which means its opposite side AD is the hypotenuse. Then when you apply the Pythagoras theorem, what do you get? AD is what? It is the square root of DB square plus AB square. But then we know that DB is y. So that means it is y square plus AB square. So here we have a problem. We do not know what the value of AB is. There are only two values given, W and Y. So we need an answer for AD only in terms of W and Y, which means we have to get rid of this AB. How are we going to get rid of this? Why don't we consider the original triangle that we started with? Triangle ABC. What sort of a triangle is it? It is a right triangle. Here you have a 90 degrees, which means the opposite side is the hypotenuse. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. Then what will be AB? AB square will be AC square minus CB square. But then you know what AC is. It is W. So AC is W square. Now what about CB? We have an information here. AD divides the whole triangle into two equal areas. Which line segment does that? Which line segment connects a vertex and the opposite side and divides the triangle into two equal areas? It is the median, which means your AD is the median. What does that mean? It means that D is the midpoint of BC. But then BD is Y, which means what? DC will also be Y. Why is that? Because D is the midpoint of BC, which means BC is equal to 2 times Y. So therefore BC square will be what? It will be 4Y square. That is what we are going to put here. This is 4Y square. Let me call these equations 2 and 1. So when you substitute this value here, you get what? AB square is W square minus 4Y square, which means it is W square minus 3Y square. This is the answer that you are looking for. That is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.